Machine learning. In this session, we are going to talk about the machine learning. We will take on some important parameters of the machine learning. We will go in depth, but let me first start with the introduction. What is machine learning? What we mean by the machine learning? According to the definition that we have, machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence which mimics the human behavior. This is the basic definition of the machine learning. This is the simple definition of the machine learning. Machine learning is actually the subset of the artificial intelligence. It comes under the artificial intelligence term, which mimics the human behavior. Machine learning mimics the human behavior. What human does is taken by the machine learning. Similarly, machine learning is actually using statistical tools which understands common sense and performs the task. Statistics play a very important role in machine learning. It uses statistical tools which enables the machine to understand the common sense and take an action to perform the task. That's what machine learning does. We can also say that machine learning is a technique which is used to achieve artificial intelligence through algorithm trained with the data. Machine learning is actually a technique which is used to achieve artificial intelligence through algorithm trained with the data. This is the another way to define the machine learning. Similarly, in machine learning, we feed a machine by giving the training and testing data so that it can explore, analyze, and predict the new data well. What we do in machine learning, we feed the machine by giving the training and testing data. We feed the machine with the help of the training and testing data to enable the machine to explore, analyze, and predict the new data well, which means that whenever we put a new data in a line, it can explore, analyze, and predict that new data. With the proper classification, this can only be done by feeding the machine with the training and testing data. We train and test the machine before to take an action to explore, analyze, and predict the new data well. It is pretty much clear from its term, machine learning, which means that machine is learning.